This is News 5 at 6.
Millions of Americans are on alert for severe weather. This includes violent long-track tornadoes, damaging winds to 80 miles per hour, and large hail. This is video from across the United States as people endure this deadly weather. So far, at least 13 people have died in 2 states, Missouri and Arkansas. Thankfully, here in Northeast Ohio, we aren't seeing conditions as severe as this, but we are experiencing strong winds and heavy rain. Meteorologist Phil Sakal joins us now. Phil.
Well, Tara, a lot of windy weather starting to move in our direction. Look at these sustained winds right now, well over 20 to even 30 miles per hour, pumping in a lot of warmth and a lot more moisture over the last 24 to 36 hours. So anticipate a little bit more warmth to lead into this evening. Further south through Mississippi, Alabama, it's a different story. Still a very active pattern. These are live tornado warnings. In fact, confirmed tornado warnings through parts of eastern Mississippi, just north of Tuscaloosa, Alabama, where they saw a deadly tornado back in 2011. So this is not good news for folks this evening across most of the Gulf Coast. And to make matters worse, it's a lot more rain-wrapped tornado activity across the Gulf Coast. So not really looking the greatest. That confirmed tornado warning slowly making its way eastward into Alabama over the next couple of minutes. And things are still looking very, very active over the latter half of this evening from Mississippi into Alabama, now even into parts of at least Tennessee under a tornado watch over the next couple of hours, and this will continue to chug further eastward. But you'll notice more rain moving into parts of southwestern Ohio, a little closer to home right now. Some significant rain beginning to make an appearance towards the south, just out of at least most of the News 5 viewing area for the moment, but it will continue to move further northward. Will that include more severe weather, and how long will this situation linger? I'll have more of those details, and we're talking St. Patrick's Day coming up later in the newscast.